So in this video, I'm going to answer the top questions that I was seeing for the Fykee vacuum. The first question was, can you vacuum your whole house with one charge? So yes, you do get up to 45 minutes of runtime, and there's different power modes, and I've just been using the lowest power mode, and that is more than enough to vacuum up everything that I need. So I've had no issues with vacuuming my whole house, and my house is about 2,000 square feet, just so you know. The second question now is, can you get replacement parts for this? So yes, you can get replacement parts. You can get, new filters, dust cups, power supply, really anything you need, head brushes, and it's all at the same place you got the vacuum. So you are able to get replacement parts if you ever would need to, super easy. And now the final question was, how heavy is the actual headpiece to it? So even with the battery on it, it's about 5 to 6 pounds. It's really not heavier than any other vacuum I've used. It's pretty light. You can easily lift it above your head to get high to reach places. So I have had no issues with it being, top heavy or not being able to lift it or anything like that. But overall, I'm super happy with this vacuum. It kind of gives you that luxury feel of, being cordless, expandable, all these different attachments that you can easily put in and out to get all of your cleaning done super fast, but, being way more affordable than maybe some other options. So I'm super happy with it. 2 thumbs up.